Our Six Nations campaign is one of the biggest ones for people to think of us as the main broadcaster in Wales. And we came up with a fantastic young character called Scott to issue a rallying cry to the whole of the nation that would really get people excited for the Six Nations on the back of a disappointing autumn series. We had an 8-week on-air campaign on TV and radio, and the Wales-England game had a record 1.2 million people watching the game, so that's absolutely huge for us. We placed the TV trails on YouTube and that got nearly 50,000 views, which is pretty impressive for one trail within the campaign. We tweeted out the national anthem just before kick-off and that got phenomenal, something like 180,000 people sharing that just because that they were in the moment, they were proud, they were passionate, they were feeling everything we were feeling. The team of people that worked on it were fantastic. Worked really hard to make sure that we did get that talkability factor, that we were resonating with the audience and that people just really enjoyed the campaign.